સહજાનંદ સ્વામી મહારાજની જય. મોંઘો માણસનો અવતાર તુને નહીં મળે ફરી is what Devanand Swami is reminding us, making us aware of, wanting us to be alert about that this human birth is a priceless gift that God has given and it shouldn't be taken for granted. He is explaining this in 4 different ways. Let us visit this beautiful bhajan, which is a gentle reminder to all us seekers. नहीं मड़े फरी रे तूने, नहीं मड़े फरी मोंघो माणसनो अवतार तूने, नहीं मड़े फरी है मोंघो माणसनो अवतार तूने, नहीं मड़े फरी. मन मरडाई मोटप मेली भाई भजी ल्यो ने हरी, हे जी भाई भजी ल्यो ने हरी. नहीं तो जाशो 84 हो, नहीं तो जाशो 84 जन्म बहु धरी मोंघो माणसनो अवतार तूने, नहीं मड़े फरी. मान मरडाई मोटप मेली भाई. This abhiman, ahankar, is so dangerous, so poisonous, so toxic that it causes human births, rebirths again and again and again. Sometimes we have ahankar or dehabhiman, ego of what we are, what we become. Sometimes we have ahankar or abhiman of our own seeking. Even bhakti can give a seeker abhiman. Even vairagya can give a seeker abhiman. See how big a vairagi I am. See how big a bhakt I am. Even sometimes simple things on the spiritual path could become ego boost. But all of this are going to give us a KT, a failure certificate. Human birth failed because we didn't achieve what we were here to achieve. And hence we are coming back again and again and again and again to this same universe, to this same opportunity, trying to fulfill our eternal purpose, trying to add meaning to this life, trying to reunite with our own source, with God. But because we are failing in our attempt, we are not able to get Him. दुख तणो दरियावो मोटो भाई नहीं शको तरी, हे जी भाई नहीं शको तरी. शामड़िया ने शरण जाता, शामड़िया ने शरण जाता, जाशो उगरी मोंघो माणसनो अवतार तूने, नहीं मड़े फरी. This ocean of unhappiness, of difficulties, this life, its ups and downs, highs and lows, we won't be able to cross this ocean without taking sharan of the Shamadiyo, without upasana of God, without becoming His, without falling in love with Him. We will not be able to overcome the obstacles that come on the path of life. If we want to overcome, we have to fall in love with God. निर्लज तू नवरो नरयो भाई घर धंधो करी, है जी भाई घर धंधो करी. माया माया कर तो मूरख ना बैठो ठरी मोंगो मानस नो अवतार तूने नहीं मळे फरी. Devanand Swami calls those who get distracted on this path as nirlaj. Hey shameless, you keep giving excuses that you are busy, that you don't have time for God. Gar dhandho kari, you have time for your own self, for your family, for your business, for your career, for all those things that are needed to enjoy the gifts of life. You have time, but you don't have time for the giver. Maya, Maya, karto murak. Hey foolish one, you have time for all the illusions created by God in this universe, but you don't have time to immerse in the Creator Himself. If we don't have this, if we take Him so much for granted, how are we ever going to pass His test? चेतीले चित मा विचारी भाई चाल जे डरी. हाँ जी भाई चाल जे डरी. देवानंद नो नाथ भजो. देवानंद नो नाथ भजो. प्रेम मां भरी मोंगो मानस नो अवतार तूने नहीं मळे फरी. नहीं मळे फरी रे तूने नहीं मळे फरी मोंगो मानस नो अवतार तूने नहीं मळे फरी. चेतीले, now become alert. Chittama vicharile, with extreme focus, live with this thought as the epicenter of your life. Don't take God so much for granted. Have little respect for Him. Have little fear of Him. That it's not good to do this to a giver like Him. To a parent, you should never take a parent for granted. And He is the parent of all parents. He is the creator, He is the giver, He is the manufacturer, the ideator. He is everything. And we shouldn't treat Him like this. And hence Devanand Swami says, please seek God with immense unconditional love, like how He has for us. God loves all of us seekers unconditionally. The believers, the non-believers, the theists, the atheists, everyone. He is like a parent who sees all his children with the same eye, whether they treat him nicely or not, whether they believe in him or not, whether they love him back or not. He is that kind of a parent who will keep giving the gift of another day, the gift of breath, the gift of life. He will never stop giving and loving us. And the day we realize this and fall in love with Him, everything will fall in place. Out of that love will emerge obedience. Out of that obedience will emerge oneness, connection with Him, bliss, peace, love and happiness. All that we need we'll get from Him. Sahajanand Swami Maharaj Ni Jai.